Pollution is controlled by Ibrahim. Tell me. Banning atomic blasts, usage of electricity operated automobiles, सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. पोल्यूशन को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है बेटा?
मैम ऑप्शन डी.
नो. वाटर पोल्यूशन, ओ सॉरी, एयर पोल्यूशन बेटा. भावेश. Okay, in this question they told pollution is controlled by. It is good, yes. Its answer is D beta. It is correct. D is the answer because banning atomic blasts, also use of electricity operated mobiles. No beta, its answer is banning atomic blasts. Because in this question they told use of electricity operated mobiles is the pollution control. Is it control the pollution? Sewage treatment, if we treat the sewage treatment, is it control the pollution? Devansh, can you answer beta? Which pollution is controlled by which? If we ban the atomic blast, so its answer will be if we ban the atomic blast. बट नॉट यूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑपरेटेड ऑटोमोबाइल्स. अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑटोमोबाइल्स यूज करेंगे तो वो भी पोल्यूशन क्रिएट करेगा. इट इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन. ओके, अब है मलिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू विल आंसर. DDT is first of all understand what is DDT. Write down the full form of DDT. Wait beta. The full form of DDT is dichloro. Everyone write down dichloro, diphenyl, dichloroethane. And it is a kind of gas. DDT is a kind of a gas which is used to kill the microbes, means which is used to kill the malaria insects. Okay, so write down control. It is used to control malaria insects. Now can you answer beta? DDT is a greenhouse gas. अब है non-degradable pollutants are those pollutants which can be we degrade, like paper we degrade, and non-degradable pollutant are those which we cannot degradable, which are not degradable, like plastic is not a biodegradable. So ठीक है, and then none of these. What will be the answer? DDT is a
मैम नॉन डिग्रेडेबल pollutant.
no.
मैम सी.
Anybody who can answer? Anybody else who can answer? Havish, can you answer beta? I told you DDT is it is a gas which is used to control malaria insects, to kill the malaria insects. So what will be the answer? Is there any option related to DDT in the options? Havish.
Ma'am, option D.
None of the above, because there is no option related to DDT. Okay, it is used to control malaria insects. So its answer is D, none of the above, right? Please mark it. Its answer is none of these. Okay, next question. Yash, you will answer. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is at Kanpur, Nagpur, Delhi, Madras. Environmental Research Engineering Researches कहाँ होती हैं बेटा? 46. Anybody else who can answer? Swarit, can you answer beta? National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is at Kanpur, Nagpur, Delhi or Madras? Ruchi, answer this question. Okay, I will tell you. Its answer is Nagpur. Mark this one. It is in Nagpur. Its answer is Nagpur. Quickly, everyone, write it down. Done? Have you done? It is in Nagpur. Okay. Next question number 47. Pollution indicator is, first of all, read the options. Agrobacterium is the plant which is used to transfer the genes. Used to, write down, used to transfer the genes in the plants. Okay. Petridium is used. Petridium is used for increasing the fertility through ash. Everybody knows what is ash. Ash is called like rock, जो कि रिमेन होता है जब हम लकड़ी को जलाते हैं तो उसके बाद एश बच जाती है, राख, दैट इज कॉल्ड एश. इट इज यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ soil. And lichen is an algae. It is a kind of algae which produces sulfur dioxide. Now, anybody who is able to answer this question? Yes, Dhanna, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, B.
B is the answer. Okay. Can you explain this question? Pollution indicator. How it is a pollution indicator? Okay, I will explain. Wait. Agrobacterium are the things which are used to transfer the genes of plants. So it is not a pollution indicator. Second is Petridium. It is used to increasing the fertility of the soil through the ash. राख से fertility of soil को बढ़ाना. It is also a useful. But pollution creation, sulfur dioxide creates the pollution, and it is created by a kind of algae which is lichen. It is called lichen, which produces the sulfur dioxide. It is not produces oxygen. It is produces sulfur dioxide. Okay. So it is a pollution indicator. This is an exception. ये बहुत rare होता है ऐसा. Next is unleaded petrol has been introduced in India with effect from, means it is the combination of hydrocarbons. Kritik, can you answer beta when it will started? It was started.
Ma'am, 1st April 1995.
Very good. Its option is C. It is also a GK question. You have to learn this. It is started from 1st April 1995. 48 B is the answer. Next question number 49. The major cause of air pollution, Bhavesh. The major cause of air pollution include burning of coal and petroleum, which is the major cause. सबसे बड़ा cause क्या है air pollution का? Afforestation, plants लगाना, use of catalytic converters in automobiles, or recycling.
Option A.
Option A. Very
Option
good.
A, burning of coal and petrol.
Very good. Burning of coal and petroleum causes the air pollution. So its answer will be A. Done. Okay, next question is Ritik Malik, you will answer. Pollution affects plants, animals and human beings. Plants only, animals and plants only, or only human beings? Pollution किसको affect करता है? A, very good.
Ma'am, A.
Plants, animals and human beings all are affected by pollution, so its answer will be A. Okay, mark this one. Pollution affects animals, plants and human beings. So we did the all assignments of air and water. Now we will do some extra questions. Okay, you have to write these questions in your notebook. We will do fill in the blanks and true false. These true false and fill in the blanks you have to write in your notebook. Okay, these exercise you have to solve in your book, but now the exercise which we will do next, that you have to write in your notebook.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप।